PZ series CNC machining center combines the function of milling, drilling, tapping, routing, and chamfering. According to different processing intensity, we equip PZA series with BT30 spindle and PZB series with BT40 spindle. The machining center comes in two standard lengths, PZ CNC 4500 and PZ CNC 6500. The X-axis travel distance could also be customized to within 20 meters, maximum Y-axis 450 millimeters, and the Z-axis 550 millimeters. PZ series CNC machining center is suitable for various lengths of aluminum profiles, PVC, and thin steel sections. Equipped with a FANUC operation system, spindle motor power 7.5 kilowatts, spindle speed 12,000 round per minute, 15,000 round per minute options are available. 12 pieces, 16 pieces, and 24 pieces tool magazines are available to meet different customers' tool change needs. X-axis travel speed 60 meters per minute. Y and Z-axis travel speed 28 meters per minute. PZ series CNC machining center uses a water cooling system and automotive lubricating system. Each machine is strictly checked with laser inspection equipment. Full range positioning precision 0.05 millimeters. Repeat positioning precision 0.01 millimeters. PRATIC can customize special fixture. And add a fourth rotation axis in order to meet customer need and make their work as easy as possible.
Audio Jungle.